Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 8th. Dear students, in this video we will learn about the topic greenhouse effect from page number 163 of your science textbook. Dear students, greenhouse effect, as you know that when the deforestation occurs, a greenhouse effect, or we can say global warming effect takes place. So what is the greenhouse effect? Basically, when we know that there is a ecological balance in the nature, the Almighty Allah has created plants and animals in a fixed ratio. The plants, as you know, that they absorb the carbon dioxide from the air, they utilize it in during the process of photosynthesis, and when this uh, amount of carbon dioxide in the air increases, what happens? The carbon dioxide has a capacity, it absorbs the amount of heat radiations from the sun. As we know that the sun's rays are warm, when they reach to the surface of earth, it is absorbed by it, part of it is reflected back into the space, a part of radiation is trapped by the atmosphere. These trapped radiations warm the earth, as we know that. It is in a greenhouse effect in a nursery, or else while sun's heat allowed to get but not allowed to go out. So this heat trapping of radiation is by the earth atmosphere is similar. That is why it is called as greenhouse effect. So carbon dioxide is the greenhouse gas. So if there is more greenhouse effect on the surface of earth, it will cause the global warming. So we know that greenhouse is the greenhouse effect is the warming of atmosphere. Uh, Now it is threatened life. Carbon dioxide is one of the responsible gases for this effect. Carbon dioxide is one of the components of air, but when carbon dioxide rises in the atmosphere and becomes excessive, excessive carbon dioxide acts as then it is a pollutant. If the carbon dioxide amount is excessive, it becomes a pollutant because the carbon dioxide is used by the plants. When we cut the plants, the carbon dioxide increases in the air. This continuously is being released by human activities. So burning of paper also release human activity. If we decrease the forest, it will also because plants utilize carbon dioxide from the air for photosynthesis, therefore decreasing the amount of carbon dioxide. Deforestation, it increases the amount of carbon dioxide. When the carbon dioxide is in deforestation, the carbon dioxide traps the and not allows to escape in the space. As a result, the average amount, this is called as global warming. So we have global warming is a serious threat that we discuss in another video how it acts as a serious threat. So in this video we have just to remember what is greenhouse effect. We know that when these carbon dioxide amount of carbon dioxide increases in the air, this carbon dioxide warms the atmosphere. This warming of atmosphere is called a greenhouse effect. If the greenhouse effect gases are more, that is carbon dioxide concentration is more in the air, it will reduce to another phenomenon that is called as global warming that we discuss in another video.